Okay, go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Culpeper, Virginia, and our big storm of 2010. We're going to take a measurement here. 15 inches of snow.
Wow!
Right off the front yard.
This is our front yard, everybody.
Our snowman in the front yard.
Here's our overgrown snowman. Now looks like a... Well, I can't see. Okay, I'm going to fall. Hold on. Hold my hand.
You're going to fall in snow.
Oh my gosh!
Where's your gloves at?
Good God, they're in my pocket.
They work good there, don't they?
Okay, look. Look, guys. Look at the truck. Oh my gosh. Look at Ralph walking through the snow, everybody. Woo! Here we go. Our 2010 blizzard.
Okay. Go ahead and put your gloves on. I'll take over here for a second. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. This is what's going on here right now.
It's up to my knees. Look, get a picture. Turn the camera. It is up to my knees.
Okay. I'm not good with the camera, so I'll give it back.
Yeah, give me that thing back before you do something.
What do we got here?
Look, everybody.
17 inches.
Wow. This is our neighbors across the street from us. This is our big old pine tree. Let's go get a picture shot of our house. Oh my gosh, it's up to... Ooh, it's getting in my boots. Woo! That's cold, everybody. Alright, let's look at Granny's car. Wow. This is really incredible.
14 inches on our car.
This is our house.
Look at the mailbox.
Yeah, let's check out the mailbox.
Look, our mailbox.
I am getting pelted with snow. There's our crazy neighbors over there. Where's our crazy neighbors? What are they up to? I don't know how far. Okay. Let's go take a walk. We're going to go to the backyard, everybody. Go see what's going on out back. Okay, I'm watching as I'm walking.
Oh, we're passing the stairs.
Oh, we're going to go to the carport, right?
No, we're going to go in the back.
We're going to walk all the way down there?
Yeah, come on.
Okay, we're walking down the stairs. Woo! Hold my hand because I can't watch the video and do this.
Okay.
Here we're going down to the back yard. As snow is getting into my boots. It is freezing cold, everybody. Ralph almost fell.
There's another one.
Stop it. You're going to make me fall. Woo!
I'm falling down the steps. I can't.
I found a step. Oh my gosh, it's cold, Ralph.
Oh.
Woo! This is a great adventure. Alright, let's check out the tree branches that are broken off the tree. Here's a good shot right here. Let me get closer so everybody can see. There it is. You see it? Snap. Oh no, maybe you can, maybe you can't. Okay, moving on. Oh my gosh. Wow, there's more snow out here than I thought. This is our backyard, everybody. There's a tree branch. There's another one. Okay. Oh man. Woo, it's cold. Okay, let's go over here and stand where it's safe. Oh, there's Ralph. He fell. What do you have to say about this, Florida boy?
I love it. Great.
There's a tree branch on the fence that is fallen.
A lot of work to do tomorrow.
Oh yeah. What else we got here? You're in my way. Scoot over.
I'm trying to get back inside.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's cold out here, and I think we're going in. This is the blizzard of 2010. Over and out.
The door's locked.
Oh gosh, the door's locked. We gotta go back up front. Alright, see you later, guys. Peace and chicken grease.